Hi, this is Dan Luche from Tiny Home Builders, and I'm coming to you from Highland Lake Cove, which is in Flat Rock, North Carolina, which is about half an hour to 45 minutes south of Asheville. Highland Lake Cove sits on about 200 acres of land, and it's just an amazing place. There's a big portion of it is a natural preserve. As you can see behind me, there's beautiful lakes and beautiful hills, and they've got a couple different communities, and over time they've added on these little communities. And over time, these communities the houses have gotten smaller and smaller. So there's maybe 2,000 or 1,200 square foot houses on one far extreme end, and then they get a little bit smaller and a little bit smaller. And now they're starting to add on tiny houses. So they've got a whole area that's designated just for a tiny house community for people to move out here or to even rent. They've got a little real estate company that's on the premises here where they rent some of their other properties. And so they want to have some tiny houses for people to rent out. And they've got some cob structures out here. It's just really cool. They've got a building where, just general use building that people can use, and some bathhouses. So if you've got a tiny house and perhaps you don't want to put a bathroom in it, you've got access to a bathroom. So it's just a really nice area. There's lots of wildlife around, and I'm super impressed when I was here. And everybody that came to the workshop just thought it was an amazing place too. So definitely check it out if you're in the North Carolina area, especially near the Asheville area or Flat Rock. Definitely take a moment to come in. The owner of it is Kerry, and he couldn't be a nicer guy. So definitely take a moment to check this out.